boat. B-O-A-T, boat. Boat is used for short distances. Ferry. F-E-R-R-Y, ferry, ferry, used to transport people and vehicles across water. Cruise ship. C-R-U-I-S-E-S-H-I-P. Cruise ship. Cruise ship is a large ship used for vacations and leisure. Yacht. Y-A-C-H-T. Yacht. Yacht is a luxurious boat for recreation. Sailboat. S-A-I-L-B-O-A-T. Sailboat. Sailboat, powered by sails using the wind. Container ship. C-O-N-T-A-I-N-E-R-S-H-I-P. Container ship. A container ship is a massive cargo vessel used to transport goods across oceans and seas. Kayak. K-A-Y-A. Kayak. A kayak is a small, narrow water vehicle that's paddled by hand. Aircraft carrier. A-I-R-C-R-A-F-T. C-A-R-R-I-E-R. Aircraft carrier. An aircraft carrier is a giant military ship designed to carry, launch, and recover airplanes and helicopters. Longboat. L-O-N-G-B-O-A-T. Longboat. These boats are often associated with historical and cultural significance. Submarine. S-U-B-M-A-R-R-I-N-E. Submarine. A submarine is a unique water vehicle that can travel underwater for long periods. It's used for exploration, research, and military purposes. Narrowboat. N-A-R-R-O-W-B-O-A-T. Narrowboat. A narrowboat is a long, slender boat designed specifically for navigating canals and narrow waterways. Fishing boat. F-I-S-H-I-N-G-B-O-A-T. Fishing boat. A fishing boat is a watercraft specifically designed to catch fish in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Canoe. C-A-N-O-E. Canoe. A canoe is a lightweight, open-top boat that is perfect for calm waters like lakes, rivers, and gentle streams. Catamaran. C-A-T-A-M-A-R-A-N. Catamaran. A catamaran is a type of boat with two parallel hulls, making it wider and more stable than a traditional single-hull boat. Jet ski. J-E-T-S-K-I. Jet ski. Jet ski. A water scooter for fun rides. Gondola. G-O-N-D-O-L-A. Gondola. A gondola is a traditional Venetian boat used for traveling along the canals of Venice, Italy. Tugboat. T-U-G-B-O-A-T. Tugboat. A tugboat is a powerful and small boat designed to help larger ships navigate through difficult areas, such as harbors, canals. Cargo ship. C-A-R-G-O-S-H-I-P. Cargo ship. A cargo ship is a large vessel designed to transport goods and materials across seas and oceans. Lifeboat. L-I-F-E. B-O-A-T. Lifeboat. A lifeboat is a small, sturdy boat designed for rescue operations, especially during emergencies at sea. Icebreaker. I-C-E-E-B-R-E-A-K-E-R. Icebreaker. An icebreaker is a special type of ship designed to navigate through frozen waters, breaking through ice to create a path for other ships. Battleship. B-A-T-T-L-E-S-H-I-P. Battleship. A battleship is a heavily armored warship equipped with large caliber guns and used primarily in naval warfare. Jet boat. J-E-T-B-O-A-T. Jet boat. A jet boat is a type of watercraft that is powered by a jet of water. Steamship. S-T-E-A-M-S-H-I-P. Steamship. A steamship is a type of ship powered by steam engines. Windsurf board. W-I-N-D-S-U-R-F B-O-A-R-D. A windsurf board is a type of watercraft that combines elements of surfing and sailing. Raft. R-A-F-T. Raft. A raft is a simple, flat watercraft made from buoyant materials, typically designed for floating on rivers, lakes, or oceans. Oil tanker. O-I-L-T-A-N-K-E-R. Oil tanker. An oil tanker is a large ship designed to transport liquid petroleum, crude oil, or refined oil products across oceans. Skiff. Skiff. A skiff is a small, lightweight boat typically used for rowing or motoring. Galleon. Galleon. A galleon is a large multi-deck sailing ship that was widely used from the 16th to 18th centuries. Cruise liner. C-R-U-I-S-E-L-I-N-E-R. Cruise liner. A cruise liner is a large passenger ship designed for leisure voyages, where the journey itself, along with the onboard amenities and entertainment.
And to watch more learning videos, subscribe to our channel, like the videos, and visit our channel to watch more videos and learn. Please subscribe to the channel.